We are on our way down to Bryce Canyon in southern Utah, and we are going to do what, Ellis?
Go on a hike.
Swim in the swimming pool.
Mostly a hike.
Mostly a hike.
We're gonna go see some of the great natural wonders, such as the Queen's Garden, the Queen's Mattress, Thor's Hammer, and some other ones. Okay, see you there soon.
Random dad stuff.
So we are coming up upon a architectural feature here that a famous person designed. This guy right here. So what part did you have in it?
I designed the bridge.
Does this bridge have a name? Called Grandpa's Bridge?
It's a reinforced concrete structure.
Well, we are almost to Bryce Canyon. This is Red Canyon. This is our first stop in the red area. We found the first of many arches in this part of the canyon, but this is the only one we're going to drive through. Alright, well, we made it to Bryce Canyon, as you can see, because the sign says we're here. So we have to do the obligatory stop at the sign and take a picture, which we did. And we're going to go check out some hikes and go hiking a little bit. We are starting on our hike now. It is 2:26 p.m. We're gonna go down here and we're starting here at Bryce Point and we're gonna end up over at Sunset Point, which is right over there, way over there, way over there. So we're here at Bryce Point. We're gonna hike down over here, end up at Sunset Point.
So we've done really well on this hike to Sunset Point, and we're just waiting for those other people up there. Yeah, they're pretty slow. I'm here. So these rock tower formations up here are called hoodoos.
All right, our rest is over. We are back on the trail. We have about a mile and a half or mile 0.75 left.
Hi.
But most of it's gonna be uphill.
Oh man.
We just have a half a mile to go and it's all uphill. This spot here is called Wall Street. You can see why, because it resembles Wall Street. We've already done 20 switchbacks. Looks like we've got about 16 more to go. Well, we made it here from Bryce Point over there to Sunset Point here, and it took us just a little over 2 hours. It was 2:26 when we left, and it's 4:30 now, so just over
2 minutes.
2 hours.
2 hours and 5 minutes.
And it was how many miles? About 3.7. And how many switchbacks were there, Ellis?
33.
How many?
33.
28 minutes, 54 seconds per mile.
But that thing's wrong.
But it was rough.
We are up early before sunrise because we are going out to Sunrise Point. Well, the sunrise finally came. We waited a while, but I guess it was worth it. At Sunset Point, we're gonna go down Navajo Loop Trail, but we're not doing this loop. We're gonna go down and around that way. You can see the trail way down there. Gonna go around Queen's Garden and end up back at Sunrise Point over there. This will be about a 3-mile loop here. But on the way back, it's mostly flat along the rim for about a half a mile. We are coming up on this area known as Two Bridges, and guess how many there are?
5.
Two.
2 what?
There's the two bridges. One on top, one on bottom. Okay, we made it down here to the bottom, and we're heading to the Queen's Garden Trail, and then up to Sunrise Point, and then another half mile back to Sunset Point where we started. What's wrong?
First blood.
Well, we're missing one of the kids. He got up here before everybody and had to go to the bathroom. We'll find him. Oh, there you are. We found you. Where'd you go?
I came back here, went to the bathroom, and waited by your car for all you guys.
All us slow pokes. How was the hike?
Good. Got a lot of rocks in my shoes though. So I need to get out.